Guys, what's in the bag? Well, for most of us, we all love to listen to a little bit of music. And when I was a young man, I used to carry one of these around. Now, I've got to say, these things have got a lot of names, but we used to call them portables. Although looking at what we've got available today, there's nothing portable about these. Today, we have earbuds that sound awesome and headphones and Bluetooth connected speakers. But in a sea of these connected devices, they all seem a little bit samey. But today, guys, I've got a Bluetooth speaker to show you, and I can tell you in no uncertain terms, there is nothing samey about this one. So hang in there, I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, check this out. In fact, I've already opened this. Check this out. This is the Divoom Ditoo Mic Pixel Art Bluetooth connected speaker. And I've got to say that in all the time that I've been reviewing tech, I'm going to just take that off. Yeah. In all the time that I've been reviewing tech, I've never seen anything like this. Really, I haven't. Now, Divoom reached out to me and asked me to review this product. And at first, I wasn't quite sure what to expect because I kind of saw this in there as well. And I thought, what's this all about? And you know what? I've got to say, just getting this out of the packaging started to intrigue me because this was the lovely bag that it came in. And then, if I just pop that down there, it was like in this case, which kind of, it's sealed again for some reason, because I didn't rip the tape properly off, but let's get that off. You can, there we go. So you can open this up and, you know, everything kind of fits in here. And yeah, I honestly am blown away. It's so nicely packed and it's actually quite cool. So before we get into it, guys, I just wanted to say that even though I'm kind of showing a little bit of excitement right now, which is kind of a little bit of a spoiler, anything I'm asked to review, I will always give you my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So guys, I'm going to just say this, right? You got to like the bag. It's a nice touch, right? And we have the cute box that I already showed you. Open it up. We've got some retro pixel stickers. We got some instructions, and then we come to the main event. And again, this is the main event, right? And we've got this, which looks like a microphone, and it is a microphone. So we'll talk more about that in a second. But guys, this little small speaker that looks like a retro computer with mechanical keys that work, but more on those in a minute. And back to the microphone. Well as this being a Bluetooth connected speaker, this is also a karaoke machine. Yes, with this mic you can connect to this Bluetooth speaker and you can sing until your heart's content. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You can even change your voice with it while speaking and singing into it. Now, before we try this out, guys, you know, there are a few more features to whet your appetite. That mechanical keyboard also has some RGB lights. There we are. And you can actually change all these lights around to do different things. Oh, that's playing some music there. Let me stop that. Stop. Right, yeah. Anyway, you can change these lights to do different things. They'll change colours. It's full RGB, so they'll dance around. They'll fade in, fade out. You get the picture. Bit like this microphone. And, you know, all the keys are properly functional. And you got this little joystick here as well, which I just pressed, which started my music playing from my phone. That's also functional. And it also controls a bunch of other features as well. So this is a very, very well featured and capable speaker. You also get 15 watts power output. You can get music out from the mic, a micro SD card, Bluetooth, and by connecting it to a computer. And when it's not a speaker, it can be a calendar, a smart alarm clock. It can give you social media notifications. I mean, I'm just looking to see what it's doing now, but honestly, look, there's something there. 9 degrees centigrade. It's even giving you the weather and the date and the time. So yeah, and also guys, there's a bunch of apps and games. There's games, and it's also a radio. Yeah, people still listen to the radio. Quite frankly, like I said, it's got a ton of apps. There's so many, I can't even remember them all. But, you know, there's things like timers, stopwatch, a scoreboard. You know, if you were scoring something with your friends, you can kind of, you know, put the scores on it. It's got weather. It's got, you know, an accompanying, I use iPhone, but it's Android or iPhone, app, which allows you to create your own pixel animations, because these are all pixels, right? So it's a bit of retro, and yeah, you can create your own pixel animations. You can load pictures into it, and quite frankly, a ton more. I spent hours, honestly, hours playing around with this. I thought, quick video, quick speaker, hook it up to some music, boom. No, I've spent hours playing with this little piece of tech, and the sound quality is surprisingly good. It even has a little bass port at the back that you can, you know, you can actually get some bass reflex out of it. So that's interesting. You can also control pretty much everything from these keys on the device, but there are some more complicated things like some of the pixel art and putting some of your own messages up. But if you want to do more complex stuff, you're going to need to load the app. And just looking through the app now, you can see there's a few screens here. Again, you know, you can do a ton of stuff. You can create your own pixel art, create your own messages, change colors. You know, you can play some games with it. You know, here's the old Breakout game, if you remember that from years ago. Okay, it's not like super stellar, you know, controls and super stellar functionality and fluidity and all those other buttery smooth and all those other buzzword bingo terms, but it's a bit of fun. You know what? This whole thing is a bit of fun. You know, it's pretty heavy as well, by the way, and I think that's down to the fact that it's got a 3000 milliamp battery in it and a decent speaker. I mean, it does sound quite good. I'm gonna give you a blast now, but I have got some video that I recorded with another camera. But anyway, let me just play something into this speaker. I've just turned it up. I'll turn it up from here. Look, actually, this, I don't know what this song is. Wait there. Let's find a decent track. Right there. Yeah, here we go. Volume. Speakers on the top. Turn it off. I know you can never really tell, and I tend to not play music samples via YouTube. It doesn't always sound that great, and it's been recorded through a microphone. I haven't even got a clue what you're listening to it on, and it never sounds that great, and I'm always worried about getting a copyright strike. But of course, this is epidemic sound, so it's all paid for. But anyway, look, you get the picture. honestly, take it from me, this speaker sounds incredibly good. For what it looks like, this speaker sounds good. So, you know what? The funny thing is, I actually thought that this would make a good giveaway. I thought, Christmas is coming. Who can I give that to? I'm not giving it away. I'm actually keeping it. You know, I like it. I'm keeping it. So I haven't got a lot more to say about it other than, you know, it's definitely a nice piece of kit. It's a bit of retro. You know, this Divoom Ditoo Mic Pixel Art speaker, I'm going to tell you, as a speaker, you're going to love it. As a toy that you can configure to do a ton of stuff, you're also going to love it. And for karaoke, well, if that's your bag. In fact, let me just hook this up just so you can. Let me just see if I can do this. Let's just see what happens here. I'm going to stop these lights going. I'm going to turn that on. I can turn this on. There's a little blue LED on that. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me? Ah, there we are. So this has got some echo on it. I don't know if it's going to be reverbing against this microphone, but if I was a singer, I could probably have a little sing-song with you. But I'm not. Let me see if I can change it. There's a button on here. There's a volume slider, but there's also a button here to change the effects. So let's see if we can change it.
Studio mode.
Okay, that says studio mode. I don't know what that means. That says studio mode, so got a lot of echo on there. Let's try another one.
Original mode.
Original mode. So this is, there's a bit of feedback. I think it's the microphones, but this is meant to sound a lot like my own original voice. But anyway, I guess that's what it sounds like. One more.
Robot mode.
I don't know what that said. Oh dear, that's a bit strange, isn't it? I don't actually know what that's meant to be, but anyway, let's try another one.
Kid mode.
1, 2, 3. Oh, that sounds. Oh, that makes me sound like a child. Okay, I sound like I'm on the Haribo advert. Oh, there's a bit of feedback. Oh, I'm gonna stop that now because it's kind of feeding back. But that kind of made me sound like I was on the Haribo advert. But anyway, guys, you kind of get the picture. You know what? It's a bit of fun. You're gonna love it. And also, guys, you know, it's a bit retro, right? We like the pixel stuff. You know, and in a world where everything looks the same, you know, this is nice to have and nice to see, and it's capable. And if you want a bit of this, guys, I will leave some links in the description along with any discount codes. And guys, if you have any comments, questions, you know what to do. And if you like the video, please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to Divoom for sending me this frankly brilliant little speaker. I actually hate calling it a speaker because it's so much more than that. Guys, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.